nighttime, we are on our second juice for today. Today is a juice day, tomorrow is a juice day, and the next day is a juice day. Yesterday was a smoothie day, so we are on 4 days of just a liquid diet. And what happens during that time? Our digestive tract gets to slow down. It's not working 23 hours out of the day. So our energy from our body, instead of going towards our intestine, it's attacking the fat. It's attacking the fat. I will lose weight and I will start healing even more during these next few days. And that brings us to the name of today's juice. Healing Just Dandy. And I am healing just dandy. When I started, I had some back pain, hence the reason why I started. Plus my weight was creeping up a little bit. And I was like an 8 out of 10. Today, I'm like a 3, 4, maybe a 3, doing Pilates, feeling good. So before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like the video. I appreciate you coming here tonight. I hope that I inspire you enough, especially men, to start juicing. And females, really just everybody. I think sometimes men are more resistant to juicing, but those are the ones who will benefit the most. They'll get rid of that abdominal fat that's really just crushing their organs, making them susceptible to heart disease and diabetes. I wanted to share a story really quick. Some people say, well, I can't juice. I can't eat clean. It's not enough food. Okay, remember that. It's not enough food. A little time goes by, maybe it's 6 months. I call a friend of mine, same friend, who had said what I had just said. Hey, how's it going? Oh, I'm on a diet. Oh, that's good, you're on a diet. Yeah, I'm eating clean. I'm on a clean eating plan for 21 days. What are you doing for your diet? What are you eating? What did you have today? I had a bagel, a light salad, a carrot, and a cup of yogurt. Really? Folks, this is my second juice today. This could be your second juice today. Look at all this stuff. Parsley, 9 carrots, a bunch of dandelions, 3 cucumbers, 6 cups of pineapple, 3 lemons, 6 inches of turmeric. That's a lot. This is one juice. Earlier today, I had a different juice, but an equivalent amount of nutrients coming into my body. When you're on a diet, yes, you are calorie restricted, but you're restricting nutrients. My body is healing, hence healing just dandy. Let's go over what's in today's juice. We have 1.5 bunch of dandelion greens. We'll go over that in a second. 3 handfuls of fresh parsley. 6 inches of turmeric root. 6 cups of pineapple. 3 whole cucumbers, 3 lemons peeled because they were non-organic. If they're organic, you can just use the rind in the juicer. And 9 carrots. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens are rich in iron and vitamin C. The vitamin C helps the body absorb the iron. Dandelions are one of the best plants to help cleanse the body. I'm super glad that you joined. I really do hope you jump forward, at least trying one juice or one of our smoothies or a few of our juices, a few of our meals, but I strongly encourage you to jump on 21 days. I'm going to start juicing. I will pause during this time. It takes about 15 minutes to juice this whole pan. I'll start with the greens because the greens, it doesn't clog a juicer. It's just good to put the greens in and then run it with some vegetables or some fruit that are high in fluid, some water, to push all that stuff out. Stay tuned. I want to show you what this juice looks like, ultimately what it tastes like. I'll do it live on screen. I'll be right back. This juicer is a cold press juicer. The pulp comes out to the right. The juice is coming out to the front towards you, and it goes through a strainer. So I'm now going to dump that out. Usually I like to give it a quick rinse. this aside, grab our pitcher, and this will give you a chance to see what our juice is looking like so far. Again, it's a real, almost like a split pea green, but this is not split pea soup. Much healthier, much healthier. All right, so we will get back to juicing. I would imagine this should just take about another probably 5 or 7 minutes. We are done juicing the Healing Just Dandy juice. But this was the second container that came from the whole batch of veggies and fruit that we had to juice. And I'll add it to our first batch. So this is the second juice for the day. The first juice just filled up just about the whole pitcher. As always though, on camera, I'll give it a test. Pour the Healing Just Dandy juice. Again, it's a nice green color. Cheers. Yum. You know, the parsley and dandelion can be a bitter, they can be a bitter plant. And then the pineapple and the carrots are really sweet. And I was wondering if they would balance each other out. But here's what's really interesting about this juice. The bitterness has a peppery taste. The turmeric is in there as well, but actually turmeric isn't really good. When you take a sip, I taste both the bitterness and the sweet almost distinctly on their own. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'm looking forward to you taking control of your body, eating healthy, juicings, doing smoothies, doing the Let It Go diet. Until tomorrow, I'll be back. Have a good night.